Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 not launching. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to GeForce Experience. Now check for updates and make sure to install the latest update for your GPU, and then right click on Call of Duty properties and now go to compatibility and enable those two options, and also check the first option, select Windows 8, apply and OK, and after that restart your PC, and after starting your PC open Task Manager and then just close all the applications that you don't need, and that's it. Applications that you know what they do, just keep scrolling down and close all the applications that don't need when playing, and that's it. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.